Róise, tú cear kilóir.
Yeah. So I think that she's just overwhelmed. I think that when she finds out she's pregnant, she's overwhelmed. And I think that she might also have fears like, oh, I don't know if I'm good enough to be a mother, and you know, look at how crazy my family is. And also, you know, her dad had the illness, and she's like, oh, I wonder, you know, that hereditary illness. She's like, oh, I wonder if it be passed on to the baby. So there's all these things going around in her head, and I think that she just is like, I can't handle this, like, you know, and she has no choice but to just go and have an abortion, unfortunately.
Róise, he can care for.
I am forstaan.
Okay.
Níl mishe a gira a bheith am wami. I think no meitchen. No one nach bhfuil se a cheart ag ban a lead go rud a rá.
Róise has the abortion even though she knows Mac really wants to have a child, but I suppose she might really truly believe in her heart that even though Mac really wants a child, that it's not the right decision for them.
An rud a smooth a wire an síl segus. Níl mishe a gira a thuirtó.
Who is three Hannah Róise? Agus tá chuid hormón bunas ceann fi láthir. An rud smó at tá tosa géirí an saoil seo ná bheith le Mac.
Tá mai céad fin géad cínta chusin. Ach tá mai cínta freisin nach bhfuil me a gira páistí. Nínis. No idea.
She just doesn't really feel like she's capable of being a mother. She doesn't really feel like this is the time in her life or if she'll ever be able to have kids. And she doesn't feel like she can handle, you know, the huge you know, responsibility of motherhood, you know, and also whether she can go through all of the emotions that there are.
Ach níl an dar na rá am. Cá freis é anna.
Well, it's more an trú é sin. Ceir tá ort?
Mishegus Mac. Ceir a tharla. Fu se adháin an cárta I nó san London.
Róise is absolutely devastated when Mac finds out about the abortion.
So Killish postage no to Russia. Killish!
It's absolutely devastating for her. She's so broken and upset and would do anything to make it better, you know what I mean? Just to try and like heal the rift. But unfortunately, Mac just doesn't seem like he's gonna budge.
Come as loud to be Joe.
That's an raw Russia, right? Where's the supporting Chinese bell and make a mama she can broke?
Please, Mac,
I suppose eventually she just has to come around to the reality that it doesn't seem like Mac is going to forgive her. And she has no choice but to somehow try and go on.